Symphonies, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Symphony. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys a super easy Valentine's Day makeup tutorial. I'm going to be using my new 𝐵𝐻𝐒 Smoky Rose eyeshadow palette that I got from Amazon. These colors are so gorgeous. Like, look how pretty these are. And I'm going to be using their lashes, but here's a few that I had got from them. These are super pretty and these were definitely under $10. 𝐵𝐻𝐒 also came out with some new eyeliners. I didn't use them in this video, but I really want to show you guys how they look. This is how they look out the box. It just says 𝐵𝐻𝐒, then it says laser liner. When you open it, they just look like this. We're just gonna swatch this and ooh, this is a really pretty shimmery green color. This one is called Wild Oasis. Ooh, this one is definitely more of a turquoise type of blue. This one is called Northern Light and it actually reminds me of a Northern Light. Really cool thing about them is that they do not easily come off, so you have to really scrub it off if you want it off. I'm gonna show you guys the Smoky Rose palette swatches, and we're gonna start off with Real Beige, and it's just this color right here. I'm gonna start from this way, this way, this way, this way, this way, this way. Swatch it right here. Can't really see it. Then we have Rosé. It's just this really nice, light, very light pink, shimmery matte color. Ooh, it does like give like a little bit of pink, but it's like a goldy pink, if that makes any sense. This one is called Smoked. Ooh, this is so pigmented. And by the way, I'm just swatching them one time, but if we swatch this one again, it's gonna be extra pigmented. Look at that. This is really pretty, and it's just another matte shimmery color, and the shimmers have like a gold to them. Paprika. Citron is like a really malted, how do I explain it, malted glittery color. It's definitely not like the mattes, but this one is very pigmented. This one is called Grilled, and it's just the same thing as this one, but in this bronzy color. Loose, and it's just a matte dark brown color, a very chocolatey dark chocolate color. Next we have Baka, and it's like a, ooh, this is very pigmented. You guys see that? It's like a reddish, purplish, burgundy, matte shimmer color. Late Night. Ooh, this one is so pretty. Oh my gosh. We have Violacious, and it's a matte purple color. Then lastly, we have Night Sky. Ooh, I love this one. Oh my gosh, I love the name on this one. For these eyeshadows to be under $20, I believe they are around $16. And they always have coupons all the time. All the products that I'm going to be mentioning in this video will be linked down below. So with that being said, let's get started with this Valentine's Day makeup look. Now it's time to use the 𝐵𝐻𝐒 Smoky Rose Pressed Powder Palette. These colors are so beautiful. The first brush I'm going to use is this crease looking brush. Hope it's focusing. First color I'm going to go in with is Smoked, and it's just this one right here. It's like a matte shimmery shade versus like how these are, but it has like a little bit shimmer in it, but it's still looking matte. Take some of that, tap off the excess, start off right here and tap it in before I start blending it in. So do a little bit of that, tap it in. And with this color too, it has like a little bit of like gold shimmer in it instead of like any other color like silver. It's like a mix of light brown and gold. And I'm gonna just blend until I get my desired look. I'm gonna go in with the color Choco or Cocoa. I feel like it's Cocoa. This is definitely a more glittery or shimmery eyeshadow. So I'm just gonna take this right here, focus it right here. It gives like a nice type of faded look right now. It's like kind of dark anyway, but then it fades off very lightly. This part right here gives more of a harsh type of shimmer, while this part right here that we first did gives more of a light shimmer, so it's kind of like fading out. This eyeshadow look is super easy to do, especially for Valentine's Day and honestly just any time of the year. But with this look, I'm definitely going for a more chill Valentine's Day look, not with all the pink. Could have went in with this color baka right here. It's like a red shimmery pinky looking color, but I wasn't really feeling that this year. This look is for anyone that's not trying to do too much for their makeup, but you would definitely want a nice good looking bold lip. Now we're gonna go in with the shade Loose, and it has the same type of matte shimmeriness to it. I'm gonna just mainly focus it right here. It's looking a little bit too harsh for my liking, so I'm gonna go in with this Beauty Junkies mini duo fiber blending brush. Next we're gonna take Grwm, and it's just this really pretty gold, very shimmery, very pigmented color right here. And take my middle finger. Oh my gosh, that is so pigmented. Oh my gosh. If I use a brush, it's not gonna be as pigmented, so I feel like the warmth of my finger and just ooh, this is so pretty. This is so pretty. Oh my gosh, you guys see that? Yeah, this is very pretty. I love how everything is fading out like this. I might go in with Rose. Yeah, I'm gonna take a little bit of that, put it right here. I mean, this part's optional, but I do notice like a tad bit of a difference. Do the same thing on the other side. As of right now, we're gonna put this to the side, and we are gonna start off with the wing eyeliner. I finished my eyeliner off camera, but it's not looking bad at all. For the lashes, I do have the Fox Mink 3D Effect natural looking eyelashes. Or am I going with these ones? They're not as minky, but they are a little bit more minkier. I am gonna go in with this pair because these are really minky, and I really want the eyes to like pop out. Look how beautiful these lashes are. The band is clear on them. I am gonna have to cut a little bit of the end so it can fit my eyelash perfectly.
It's the end of the weekend, but I still wanna turn up. Yeah, I still wanna turn up. All I want is to go again, but you ain't picking your phone up. Why you messing my head up? Any night, any day, let me take you away. All I need is just saying yeah, 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 yeah. Better nights, better days, when you're here with me, babe. Cause you're all that I crave, so I wonder, where are you? Where are you? Where are you? Don't hide away from me when I need you most. We got love guaranteed, and I have to know, say, where are you? Where are you? Don't be so hard to reach, just pick up your phone. Tell me where you'll be, cause I gotta know. Let me know when you're ready, cause I made reservations. Too many invitations, and the last night was heavy.
We're back to the eyes, and I think I want to go in with, I don't know, like I feel like I should go in with Cocoa or Loose. One of these two colors right here for this part. I think I'm gonna try Cocoa. Yeah, I think I want to go in with Cocoa just because it's not too dark, and I don't want this look to be like a dark look or like too much of a smoky eyeshadow look. Now we're on to the lips, and I'm gonna take this old lip liner that I had since probably middle school, since I was like 13 or 14 years old. I'm 22 now, but I decided to keep this for memories because I used to use this as a color corrector for underneath my eyes. Turns out I used the wrong color this whole time, and I remember I put this on. Well, I put too much on, and my under eyes were like red and very orangey looking underneath my concealer, and people were asking me why my face was orange, and it was just so embarrassing. A part of me wants to add clear gloss on top so bad, but I think I'm gonna just leave it like this because this is a beautiful red with this eyeshadow look. So let me know what you guys think. Let me know in the comments, letting me know what you guys think about this look. Would you guys purchase this Smoky Rose eyeshadow palette from Amazon? Like, honestly, it's pretty good for it to be under $20, and it has a lot of colors in it, and you can take these out and replace them if you want to, or you can travel with certain ones without you having to take the whole palette. So yeah, there's a lot of benefits to this. It does say it's sweat proof and waterproof, but I haven't tested that out yet. It's like another plus about it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to join the harmony, and of course click that bell button to receive notifications from me every time I upload. Okay, so I love you guys so much, and God bless you all in Jesus' name, and I hope you guys have a very happy Valentine's Day, and I'll see you guys in my next video.